For this heat exchanger, we use the EE121HT product. This product is specially engineered to withstand high temperatures, acids, methanol, and organic solvents. To add to this, the integration of Kevlar fibers makes this coating tough, chemical resistant, flexible, able to withstand high temperatures, and wear resistant. For a pump system, we needed a coating that was designed for coating and protecting metal pipes and more. We used S26. S26 is a solvent-free, ceramic-filled coating. This coating is made to be protective within highly aggressive environments, especially in places of high amounts of abrasion. To repair and protect some mining equipment, we used 8509. This product combines epoxy resin with a combination of small and large ceramic beads. This allows this product to withstand high wear and impact, along with being equipped with quick curing epoxy that will return your equipment back to service in as little as 1 hour. We pride ourselves in our large selection of epoxy coatings that we can make available for you. We have a coating for almost every project.